Time to take advantage of the Michigan weather and get this AC started up.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
I'm not a fan of running the vacuum pump during the colder temperatures, so when I install an air conditioner during this time, I forego pulling the EPA required vacuum and wait for the weather to give us a 70-degree day. And today is perfect. I consider myself fairly experienced, so the first thing I do as I start the evacuation of the system, I listen to the pump. As the non-condensables are removed, you can hear a distinctive gurgling. What I've learned is that the gurgling will continue throughout the process if I have a leak. The line set is less than 25 feet, so the gurgling ended pretty quickly, giving me an indication that I'm leak-free. However, my target is to pull a vacuum to a minimum of 500 microns to help ensure no leaks are present. Once we achieve the 500 micron threshold, I let the pump run for an additional 30 to 40 minutes to pull it as low as it can go. I will then isolate the system and test for 10 minutes. Starting with the suction line, I release the refrigerant, then begin testing the operation of the system. This system utilizes a thermal expansion valve, so here we measure for subcooling. We have a 68-degree outdoor temp. The system should operate at 8 degrees of subcooling. Typically, we operate the unit for a minimum of 15 minutes, then take our final measurement. Everything tested great with the AC. Let's move on to the furnace. During our initial fire, we tested for proper gas pressure. As you can see, it tested at 3.5 inches, but something didn't look right. The flame fired bright orange. This has never happened to me before on an install. So I consulted the tech rep for Ruud. I double-checked the orifice size, the pressures, and the heat exchanger. All checked normal. We thought there might be an additive to the natural gas that caused this, so I tested the water heater, and sure enough, it was bright orange as well. I contacted Consumers Energy, and they sent over a team to investigate. They determined that the humidifier the homeowner was using caused the flame to change colors. I guess it's common, but I've never experienced it. Either way, both systems operate normally. I think we're good.